Welcome everyone. If you're new here, my name is Chege Masharia and this is Jicho Lizuri. As indicated on the title of this video, how to set up an art studio is a continuation of creating an art studio, which were my first two videos in the series. As you can see, today we are doing an unboxing, or rather unwrapping, of different types of materials and equipments that I'm gonna be using in the art studio. Paint brushes, glasses to mix a paint, mechanical pencils, and refillable graphite that I get to use with the mechanical pencils to do sketches and so on. Next, I got this easel that I got from an art store. It's purely wooden, very smooth, and it allows me to maintain a good posture when I'm painting or drawing. I mostly use it on top of a surface, which is in this case my desk. It has these screws on the sides that allow me to slant my working area diagonally 45 degrees and so on. This metallic organizer allows me to sort out stuff that would be lying all over, like my pencils, polychromos, ink pens, fountain pens, markers, biros, everything that I used to draw with. It takes in a lot of stuff, and I actually realized that it saves me a lot on space. Next are some gadgets that actually come in quite handy. Two laptops. The first one was actually my old laptop, and then I recently got a new one which is a bit more stronger and faster with much more space, and a wireless keyboard that allows me to work seamlessly without filling up the space with cables. Next, I got a microphone. This is the NT USB Plus professional USB microphone. This professional microphone makes capturing studio quality sound very simple. It builds up on legacy when it comes to next generation features. It excels quite well when you want a crisp and clear recording for doing voiceovers. And this is the microphone that I've been using for all my videos until now, and I'm actually very happy with the results. This Rode microphone is actually very easy to use. So after you set it up, it has a USB-C connectivity with high resolution analog and digital conversion. It has a detachable pop filter and a desktop stand included, in case you just want to record directly, or if you want to do like an overhead podcast type of recording. It also allows you to set it up in such a way. It features a studio grade condenser capsule with a tight cardioid pickup pattern, and it allows for ultra low noise and helps block out unwanted background sounds and noises, so it leaves you with like very clear and crisp recordings. Let me know in the comments if you want me to feature a tutorial video on how to do voiceovers, because it's actually very simple. Next, I got books, sketchbooks, drawing books, notebooks, depending on what I actually want to do at the moment. So sometimes I just get these ideas and I want to write some few things down. Sometimes I just want to sketch portraits, architectural drawings, or just random stuff, landscapes, animals, or still life. I got this academic book that actually teaches professional techniques on how to draw the human body. It talks about proportions, the sizes, depth, the difference between light and shadows. I hope this video doesn't get flagged for displaying nudity, because this information literature is ultimately for educational purposes. Next, I got this Darline Rowney fine grain heavyweight drawing and painting book that I use it for different mediums, pencils, watercolor, ink pens, charcoal. The pages are 200 GM. This is a standard drawing book, but I love it because of its hardcover. It's by Fridge, Sketch, Design, Create. It features soft grain pages that are really good for graphite and charcoal. Anatomy for Artists by Sarah Simblay is my ideal reference academic book that I've had for the last few years, around 9 to 10 years to be exact. It's got beautiful illustrations and photographs of the human body, and it teaches the relationship between surface appearance of the human form and the complexities of its underlying structures, bearing reference from old masters and compressive contemporary perspective on drawing the human form. Of course, the biology and physiology of how the human body works. So as you can see, our working space is slowly starting to take shape. I love minimalism, design, and just having free space as much as possible. So for me, less is always more. I really enjoy the natural lighting because I hardly get to use studio or artificial lighting. This is the shelf that we put up last time. So now I start up by Mother Nature. I love flowers. I love plants. I feel like plants give life to any room. Just so you know, we are a anti-artificial plants kind of a household. So when I'm not actively using my stationery, I usually transfer them from my desk to create for more space and just set up everything on the shelf. My canvases, different sizes for oil paints, acrylics, and watercolor paints. I use these colorless pouches for storing more stationery that allows me to see what's inside it as well. This is a kitchen utensils organizer that I repurposed it for my brushes, rulers, rubbers, erasers, sharpeners, and so on. Originally, people used them for storing spoons, knives, forks, tablespoons. My mechanical sharpener and my acrylic 16-piece painting set. Hard drives, memory card, for storage and backup. More storage. Packaging of the gadgets that I use get to go on the lower shelf. Stabilizers, headphones, phones, speakers, and so on. More drawing and painting books. I also get to read other sorts of literature like magazines, novels, and just different types of books that give me inspiration, as well as knowledgeable books that inspire me to become more productive and foster self-development. my other headphones and the software that I use to edit my videos, multi-purpose colorless containers, gift wrappers for presents, now we are done and everything is where they need to be. I love the display and the airiness. If I need to grab something quickly, I know where to find it. I've been having these medical anatomy posters from when I joined nursing school, and I still find them very much practical, so they get to stay. I've been practicing for some few years now. I used to enjoy anatomy classes back then because I used to draw a lot and this was one of my strong points. Now let's have a B-roll of this setup as a whole. Everything is in place, everything is where it needs to be. I'm actually very much satisfied with the outcome. I can't wait to start up being creative and just start up on my hobby projects and of course create some cool artworks. Thank you so much guys for sticking up with me until the end of this video. I love you guys so much and thanks for supporting my channel, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.